Want to automate your daily tasks without writing a single line of code? Start with ChatGPT. It's not just for chatting. It can generate emails, summarize meetings, and even write scripts for other tools. Zapier connects your favorite apps. Create zaps to automate tasks like saving email attachments to Google Drive or posting tweets from RSS feeds. Make.com gives you visual control. Build complex workflows with drag-and-drop modules, perfect for power users. IFTTT is great for beginners. Use simple if-this-then-that logic to automate smart home devices, social media, and more. Each tool has its strengths. Choose based on your needs: simplicity, flexibility, or power. Subscribe for more AI-powered productivity tips. Next up, how to build your first Zapier workflow from scratch.